Hello, and welcome to Tips and Tricks. My name is Jason, one of the training support specialists in the Port Orange Library Distribution Center. Today we will be showing you how to turn on Windows Speech Recognition. To begin, go down to the search bar and type in Speech. Windows Speech Recognition should appear as an option. When you click this, it will open the Speech Recognition app. And if you have not opened it before, we'll ask you to configure your settings. Please follow any available on-screen prompts. This computer has been set up. Once it's opened, speech recognition will be ready to listen. Start by saying, "Start listening." This will cue the computer to begin listening to commands. From here, users can control the computer with their voice. Open Notepad. Speech recognition allows users to dictate speech to text, as well as opening and controlling several applications. Close Notepad. Don't save. Open Microsoft Edge. University of South Florida. Insert. Search. Close Microsoft Edge. When you are finished, say, "Stop listening," and the computer will pause speech recognition until you are ready for it again. A more comprehensive list of speech recognition commands can be found at this website, which will lead you to Microsoft support. On behalf of the AT and UDL Technology and Learning Connections team, we want to say thank you for joining us today. Please keep an eye on our website for additional videos and support.